Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at the latest Black Friday deals at Harbor Freight. You know, all of these retailers are getting into Black Friday earlier and earlier every year. The interesting thing about the Harbor Freight deals is they actually end before Black Friday starts. I will put a link down below to this page if you want to look through the deals for yourself. Now for this video, we're going to scroll through this entire page and I'm going to point out to you the best deals in this Black Friday sale. There it is, guys. Now you know the deals I will be running out to Harbor Freight this week to take advantage of. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.